Lorain, Ohio. We're standing right across the street from the upcoming listing that you get to see today. We're right by South Central Park, and it's such a prime location. This home features not one, not two, but 3 bathrooms. You've got 2 upstairs and a half bathroom downstairs. What a great layout. And if you wanted, you could easily close off this room and make it into a 4th bedroom, or just leave it as an office. And the layout of this kitchen is so convenient. I absolutely love how it leads right off to the dining room. So it's not too often that you can find a true primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet for this price point, but this house has it. And I know what you're thinking. Where your laundry should go is where your clothes are. So upstairs is your own laundry room, so you don't have to go downstairs to the basement. So whether you're a sports enthusiast, you've got your field right there, or you just want to get out on some swings, you can literally come right across the street, and this is right in your front yard. So reach out today, and we would love to take you on a tour of this awesome home in Lorain, Ohio.